Start.
Yeah, Vidya, I think a little less of yellow is there in the middle. You can go with an orangish gamboge, and little orange is needed.
So do I need to add?
Shruti, yeah, you have to. Yeah, watery, add in the middle, this side,
Okay.
and then let it go here and there, and with the help of this thing, spray and shaking it. I can see Shruti. Shruti, you can also just do the green little muted, as I also was not wanting it, so I just took out some color from there.
Okay, just to spray water on top of it and spread it, like?
Yeah, correct. Okay, for the green part and even the yellow part, Shruti, you can do that also. Even the yellow part, it will come nice. And Lata, the color is coming good. If you, आपका थोड़ा सा hazy आ रहा है वीडियो लता, और उसमें अगर आप स्प्रे कर दोगे तो सॉफ्ट आ जाएगा बीच में. ये सॉफ्टनेस बीच वाली आनी बहुत जरूरी है. दिस सॉफ्टनेस साइड तो वी हैव टू डू अ बिट मोर. Tanya, not able to see Tanya. Show Tanya. So you used a bit of lemon and this थोड़ा सा गैम्बोज या ऑरेंजिश थोड़ा सा बीच में एक बार और पानी वाला दे दो.
हाँ जी, ओके.
तो येलोइश और फिर थोड़ा सा गैम्बोजिश and then purplish. This side it looks good. Okay, and oh no. I need little bluish this side. Where is my water? हाँ बेटा, 2 ले लिया ना. I'm leaving this for drying a bit and then I'll give another coat. So I'm starting.
Can you see my?
New page, new sheet I'm starting. And this is Canson again. And I think I'll go with vertical.
Archana, one doubt.
Temple वाला जो था, yeah, sorry, sorry.
Yeah, one doubt. All those branches have gone vanished. What do I need to do?
Yeah, so that we need to wait to get it dry. आप रख दो उसको dry होके फिर
ठीक है।
थोड़ा बनाते हैं.
Okay.
Yeah. And now I'm starting vertical and that temple वाला जो था थोड़ा सा slight of that kind. Temple. Same color family I'll be using. So we can utilize the colors which we have already diluted. काफी है उसमें. Anyhow, we can use those later also. Just freehand. Okay, I can see Lata थोड़ा सा hazy picture आ रहा है आपका. So जब भी whenever we need to just give a softness, आप उसको थोड़ा round ऊपर नीचे side हिला के mix कर दीजिए. Correct like that. Anusha, show.
Yes.
Yeah, Anusha, yeah, you use the color. Good, nice, it is coming. बीच में आपका वो आ गया because then we have to spray in the middle to get the lightest. Good, Anusha.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm starting a temple, and that I'm aware that's this thing when dry sheet, not wet. Not thought of anything particular. First, just thinking of a temple or any monument for that sake.
What color is this?
That Indian red and ultramarine. I'm using an angular brush. It's fine with any other, but in angular we get the point also, and then we get the flat effect also. And 2-3 shades at a time looks good. Angular brush है तो use कर सकते हैं. That gives a beautiful. Just think of a monument. ऊपर वाला जो temple है, I mean the tomb of it, उसको we can plan, and the rest we can give a building kind of effect. पीछे नीचे I like to give stairs also, सीढ़ी, which gives a perspective. I like to give that. We can convert it into that Banaras scene also, which I had posted in the morning. That was that realistic as well as. I'm using the spatula knife, that palette knife, just to give some detailing in the temple, which obviously will go away. I'll spray it anyhow, but a little bit of scraping out. And we can use our nails also for that. I hope everybody's getting it sub ekdam sui patak sannata. I used tree का थोड़ा सा effect इधर में, and that branches trunks I'll give. ये नीचे जो ड्रॉप्स आ गए थे, उसको भी थोड़े दूर के पेड़ में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. And sharp please. Yeah. Okay. Oh. So your the spray नीचे वाला कलर में आपने वो यूज नहीं किया तो I mean Indian red.
Okay, more of I think yellow ज़्यादा.
Yeah, little more you can use. So let it come down or be
Oh.
more colors needed wherever you are doing. That's it. So the against light, what we are making is the trees which are coming against light looks good. Now we can make some figures here. We can make some people standing.
डिले में क्या है?
ठीक है. लता, I just show because आपका फेस क्लियर दिख रहा है, लेकिन जब आप दिखा रहे हो तो पिक्चर थोड़ा दूर से दिखाओ प्लीज. Shruti, I can see. Shruti, whenever you are using the green, don't use it direct green. I also use it sometimes, but direct green थोड़ा एक stark फिर वही दिखता है. So
Okay.
use ochre or brown with it, yellow with it. Brown with green looks very good. Yeah. Okay. I can see Lata. But आपका जो टेम्पल है उसके कलर्स नीचे फ्लो होना चाहिए, वो फ्लो नहीं हुआ है. Or I don't know, I'm not able to see. और उसमें और एक बार कलर करके एक बार और ये स्प्रे कर सकते हो लता. Vidya, done? Vidya is done, I think. And the drops where it is wet only and let it spread on its own. Where there is line, the color spreads on its own. तो shade दिखता है. And the top, जो tip, I don't want it stark, so उसको थोड़ा सा टिश्यू से हटा लिया.
Can I?
Yeah, sure. Vidya. Okay. Okay, left side, some that muted tree you have given, this very light bluish tree, left side. Left side. There. You can give to balance the picture and balance the color as well. Can want to utilize. I don't want to give very dark here since the light source is this side. Light is dark is here. Just give a bit of Anusha show.
I just confused the light source and it is
Sorry. Yeah, the temples I can
the
see.
light source. The colors.
Colors, yeah, very. It should be muted
Bright
like.
it came. Yes.
Right. The colors, if we want to get it muted, no. So we should use that Naples yellow or got it?
Mixed with that. Okay.
So I have Della Rowney's that portrait pink cream. So just we should mute the color a bit. It will not come bright. Naples yellow. Got it?
Okay.
So sure, I can see
Can I
Shruti. I think can you all send me in the group, all of you, please, your picture. Yeah, let me just एक बार देख के फिर then again we'll come back to. See this, if you can see it, this portion. It is very light muted आया है bluish. So if you feel the color is not there, then we can give the color again and then we can spray it again. Now once it is dry, जो sky है, sky में we can give a color, let it go down and then up पूरा. So let it get dry now. जब तक I'll show a third one. But I was not very happy with this one. जितना बन रहा है, I don't know which sheet. Anusha, Shruti, sorry, Tanya, show. तानिया, ओके या अभी आपका आया नीचे कलर, ओके ओके या गुड, बट डार्क क्यों नहीं हो रहा थोड़ा? सो इफ यू डोंट हैव 1 minute, if you don't have red, Indian red, then mix crimson with blue and little brown.
Okay.
Crimson with ultramarine blue and
Anji.
burnt sienna.
Okay.
Crimson, ultramarine blue and burnt sienna to make the apna Indian red. Let me check a bit with spraying again. So there are few sheets जो एक बार कलर आ गया तो उसका स्ट्रेन आ जाता है, उसका स्ट्रेन रहेगा तो वो कलर नहीं जाता है. If I make a little bit more dark.
I've sent in the group my picture.
हाँ. I got it. If I can just see how it is coming. So if you can send me in the group, all of you.
Yeah, I've just sent mine.
I got yours. I'm just checking. I got Vidya's 1 minute. Okay, so you used what dark in the temple?
Me, are you asking me?
Huh?
Yeah, I've used violet blue only.
So if you want to make it dark, violet and brown and crimson, same.
Do I need to apply more?
No. It's looking very dark. That's why I'm saying, because none of the line should be seen like obvious line. And always the tree, I have seen like 40 years, my experience in this field, trees become a very difficult thing for everyone. Trees, however, every day we are seeing, and still a shape of the tree and the branches and trunk. जितना थोड़ा पतला आएगा उतना it will look good, but I know when we are spraying it, the color is coming down and we are taking advantage of the drop which is come. आपका left side का stair अच्छा आया, सीढ़ी बहुत अच्छा आया, that has come nice.
Temple और light करना है.
हाँ, temple थोड़ा और watery होता when you were starting, और आपका भी ये चित्रपट है ना, चित्रपट का अलग I can see. And now let me tell you one thing which is a catch of the story में जो था आज, which morning I had sent this picture. This one जो था ये वाला, can you see this one?
Yes, yes.
In the same style it was. Now this was a Chitrapat mat. Just zoom it and see, it is not in on the mat I did, but I did on the reverse side of the mat. So there are few colors which actually looks good. उसमें से एक Indian red है पक्का, Persian green, home beige. And if we have all these three also, we can make anything.
So do I need to spray more?
Sorry?
Do I need to spray more?
Not able to hear.
Do I need to spray more?
Show me, show. You send me?
I know I
You
have
send
sent
me?
one only, that picture only.
Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, I can see now. Okay, this is Tanya's. Tanya, you're spraying और नीचे soft आया है color. Yours is come nice. Again, the green part.
हाँ जी.
Yeah, green part, Tanya. As I told, green को direct use ही नहीं करो.
हाँ जी.
I have made the green Cambodge and blue mix करके then made it, और उसको dark करने के लिए then again the Indian red. Okay,
Okay.
I'll send the closer look of my picture. Look, it's not that यही color करना है, but the which color which looks good is the important question. And एकदम अलग से green नहीं दिखना चाहिए, अलग. I'll send you the picture.
We will again get locked out.
Okay. Vidya, you are sending your picture to that Fabriano?
I've done. I've sent yesterday night. Let's see. Have you sent
That's
before?
okay. Today you are sending it from the south, this thing, right?
No, west. Puja.
Okay, Puja only. Because south wala ka meeting hai aaj sham ko.
Achha.
Yeah, Anusha, you have done the temples and all very good, but वो और थोड़ा muted होता तो और अच्छा. It is nice.
Yes, ma'am. It came out as bright colors, too bright.
You can just don't drop the color down, then don't let it flow down. You just spray temple के ऊपर. Temple के ऊपर थोड़ा spray कर दो so that the edges doesn't look very neat from
Defined.
the bottom of the temple, not from the top. And one more thing, which sheet, Anusha?
This is Anupam 200 GSM.
Anupam